Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. If you are currently struggling with the error code Dolphin-006 while accessing the Ubisoft Connect or any Ubisoft games, then don't worry, because in this video, we are going to share the details for this error. As per the official information shared by Ubisoft on their website, the error comes when there is a logging issue with your Ubisoft account, and to resolve the error, users should try resetting their Ubisoft account password. In case the error still comes after changing the Ubisoft account password, then users should check the Ubisoft server status and try general workarounds. First up, here's a simple solution. Try resetting your Ubisoft account password. To do this, navigate to the account login screen and select Forgot Your Password. Enter your account email address, complete the CAPTCHA verification, and hit Submit. You'll receive an email with instructions to reset your password. Follow those steps, set up a new password, and then restart your device. Check for the error again and see if it's resolved. If resetting your password doesn't do the trick, don't worry, there's more you can do. Have a look at your Ubisoft Connect or the game you're trying to play. Are there any pending updates? If so, install those updates right away, and then check for the error again. Still no dice? It's time to check your gaming device. Are there any updates required for your device? If yes, go ahead and update your device before checking for the error once more. If you've tried all these steps and you're still seeing that pesky error, it's time to bring in the pros. Reach out to the Ubisoft support team to report the issue. In summary, to tackle the Ubisoft Connect error code, Dolphin-006, start by resetting your Ubisoft account password. If that doesn't work, check for updates for your Ubisoft Connect or game, as well as for your gaming device. If all else fails, contact the Ubisoft support team. With these steps, you'll be back to your gaming in no time. Remember, every problem has a solution. Happy gaming! If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.